Hello and welcome back to Take Time to Create. My name is Linda and today I have a haul. This is an eBay haul. It's not a mystery box. I know what I got, but I wanted to show you guys these things. I have been way into needlepoint and embroidery and all of those good things, and so I was searching around on eBay and I found some mixed lots of some really cool things. Some things are old, some things are new, but I thought this is really fun. So I thought I would order a couple of these mixed lots and I will show you what I found. I'm really loving the vintage things. I'm loving some of the older patterns and older designs. Absolutely fun. So I've been way into this embroidery. So I thought I'd share this. I've had these for a while, probably 6 weeks now, and I haven't gotten to it. So I got just a little overwhelmed and a little busy. So here I am, and let's see what the first one looks like. So this is a whole mixed lot. And I think a total of all of these together, I think there's 4 packages. It was $50 total, all of them. I have some counted cross stitch fabric. Oh, look how cute this is. So I think you get both of these designs. Little bears, very cute. Some more fabric. That's just plain fabric. I think I got this. Oh yes, I totally got this whole kit for this crewel embroidery. Oh my gosh, these are pin cushions. These are so cute. So cute. Okay, this was a major draw for this lot for me, I will say. More fabric, which I can always use. Let's see here. More fabric. This one had a lot of the cross-stitch fabric. Oh, that's cute. Welcome. Kind of reminds me of the 80s. Let's see here. All right, we have Black Swan's design. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that one. Really pretty. Okay, so I remember this one. I thought this was really pretty. Oh, look at this fabric appliques. I forgot this bear was on there. He's cute. Kind of vintagey 80s looking. All right, what else do we have? We've got a couple more things at the bottom here. Oh, we've got some string that is stuck on the tape. Okay. All right. More fabric, which is great. And, ooh, cool stuff. 7 designs for, I don't know, lanyards, sunglass holders. Aren't these cool? Oh, how cute. All right. I can do that. And then a little box of lots of embroidery floss and gracious art of cut and pierced Christmas ornaments. Before I open that, there's a little guy under here, a little heart-shaped one. God bless. Cute. These sometimes remind me of the 80s and 90s. Loving it. Loving it. Okay, let's see if we can open this. All right. What is inside of here? I think it's just this pattern. I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay. So this is a bunch of fabric. And then you, oh, I see. Then you have this pattern and then you cut it out and you get the little rings. Wow. Well, this looks like fun. I've never done this before, so I'm willing to try it. This looks like a lot of fun. Okay, this is package number 1. Really cute. Very excited. Now that things have slowed down a little bit in my world, I can get back to doing these fun little kits and projects. So, all right, let's get the next one. All right, second package. Flip this over. It's very well packaged. They did a good job. Like I said, this is not a mystery box. I know what I got, but I can't remember all of it. I'm kind of forgetting, but that's okay. Oh, love that. Makes the house a home. Very cute. Oh, an eyeglass. This is plastic canvas. Oh, look at that. An eyeglass holder. I love that. And a clown. I'm not fond of clowns, but it is a light switch cover, but maybe I'll put something else on here besides the clown. Clown's not my favorite, but I did love, this is actually why I picked this kit, why this kit, why it got my attention was the glasses kits, because I'm really in love with that. Oh yes, look at that. Absolutely, I love this. Very, very cute. And then this is another, what is this? Is this a bookmark? Yeah, it's a bookmark. It says it right there. Very cute. Okay. Oh, and it's black too. I like that. So yeah, so this is good, other than the creepy clown. Very happy with this one. They are all in perfect condition, brand new, never been opened. All right, this is the third one. And this one I'm actually really excited about because I didn't even know these existed. And I'm sure many of you out there will say, oh yeah, I remember those, or oh, I've done those, or whatever, but don't want to pull out my packing slip. All right, it's these seafaring Santas. Aren't these adorable? There's 3 of them. And it's from Mill Hill. It's a stitched and beaded kit. Let me see if I can pull out the other 2. Okay, I have to say I love these. These are so cute. I have not seen these before and I'm thrilled to pieces. It comes with the embroidery floss. It comes with, I think it's plastic, canvas. Let me open it. And all of the beads that I need, all of the instructions. Yeah, it feels like plastic. And I can make these seafaring Santas. There's a whole bunch of these too. I had no idea. Tons of these cute little Santas. So I am just going to go to town and see how these 3 turn out. And if they're not too complicated and if I enjoy them, I'm going to pick up more of these. These are adorable. The cutest things ever. Last one. Let me scooch some of this stuff aside. All right, pried that open. Let's just dump it all out. It's easier. Okay, so exciting. First one, oh, a cute little teddy bear with a rainbow. He's very cute. I am going to be busy for a while. Okay, generation love are reflected in a grandchild's eyes. I'm not a grandma yet, but maybe if I'm now at the age where my friends are starting to become grandmas, so that'll be a nice gift. Let's see here. Oh, I like this little goose. He's very cute. We have a simplicity pattern. Probably not politically correct anymore, but it's there. And then we've got, oh, it's an Avon, exclusively designed for McCall patterns. Cute. And I think these are, I think everything's in there. All right. I'm trying to remember. These ornaments, we have 3 more. This train one is very cute. Oh yeah, I think this is one of the ones that really caught my eye. This pattern, very cute. I like this tree. I might try that tree. Very cute. Another dimensions. It's been opened, but I don't think anything is missing because the floss is still tied. I've done that to a few kids. Open it up, read the instructions, and put it right back. Oh, this is why I think I got this set, because I love these towels. 2 roosters. It's an embroidery set to embroider these roosters. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. So cute. Yep, this really caught my eye. More ornaments. Lots of Christmas, I think, with people doing embroidery. Very cute. And, oh, felt applique. Yep, this also caught my eye. I'm loving the felt appliques. I've been doing a ton of those. Kid, these are so cute. All right, another pattern. And last but not least, oh my gosh, yes, this is what really caught my eye as well. This whole kit, this mixed lot, had a bunch that caught my eye. This, the roosters, and this felt applique. These are so cute. Okay, oh, it's the tent trailer. This is the pattern here. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh no, I love it. Oh, this is fabulous. So fabulous. It's a picture frame so you can stick your kids in there. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna stick my son. This is the best. Okay, I love this. So excited. Okay, so that is the 4 kits that I got. 4 mixed lots from eBay. So check out eBay. Tons of things on eBay. Tons of mixed kits. You never know what you're gonna find. Things change all the time. I am absolutely pleased with my set of stuff that I got. I'm excited. I will show you probably on Instagram as I finish these, so follow me on Instagram and you'll see as I finish these sets out what I do with them, if I follow the instructions or not. I have a tendency of not always following the instructions. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me on this haul. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. You can find me on Instagram where I'll post these, and on my Facebook as well. You'll see pictures of these as I move through, probably not too fast, but as I go through, you'll see it on my Instagram and my Facebook. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.